Duplicating objects in Canva is like having a copy machine for your designs. It really can save you a lot of time, tons of time, by letting you quickly create multiple copies of anything you want, like shapes, like text boxes or photos. This is super helpful for just improving your learning. It's so essential as a Canva user. So let's jump right into this video. Make sure you subscribe for more. And what you have to do right now is, let's say I have a shape. So I have this shape here, but I'm gonna add a gradient to this shape. Why? Because I can. So we have this shape here, and I like to duplicate this shape. So I can right click, I can click on copy or Control plus C. So copy plus Control plus C, copy or Control plus C, and then I can right click here and click on paste or use the shortcut Control plus V. So there are actually two ways. The first way is to use copy and then paste, or you can use the shortcuts for copy and paste. So you just come Control plus C, and then I press on the keyboard Control plus V, and now I have a copy. If you want to lock in when you move, so it locks in on this axis, you have to hold Shift. Now I have a copy here. Now I like to create another I would like to show you another method to create really fast copies. So what you have to do is you have click, you select it, you select this, you want to copy this, and then when you drag this shape, you hold Alt. Okay, when I hold on, when I'm dragging this shape and I'm holding Alt, I create copies, and it's super fast, as you can see. So if you want now to delete them, all them, you can hold, you can press Control plus A, and now you press Control plus A, you can delete them, you know, and then delete, or press on your keyboard delete. You can now just highlight, you know, just a couple of them, and then just press on your keyboard backspace. That's another way. So that's how you duplicate in Canva. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. If you have any questions related to Canva, let me know in the comment section.